Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I'm putting my tripod up there so we can craft down here. Okay, and we can all see me. Okay, so I'm back. I've been away, I haven't been anywhere. I've been in and out of the room and round my room because I'm tidying it, and I've been having help tidying it, and when I show it to you, you're going to think it's really cool because I do. I'd like to show it to you now because it's not done, but I don't think we worry about that. My husband has had the secret from me for so long. He did it. He fixed most of it. Oh dear, I couldn't believe it. He was never going to help me do anything because he used to say, you make the mess, you've got to clean it up, you see. But he worked so hard, and he was such a good person to help me. And I suppose you should be looking at something besides me going waffling on, but this is only a video on a couple of happy mails that when I say only, I've got a couple of happy mails, one of them about a week ago and the other one probably a month or so ago, and I'm very sorry because it's been lost in here when I say, because I've had, I've had a real lot of stuff that I threw out so many bags and bags and donated so many big garbage bags full of stuff, and the fabric and everything, it just went, and I just did really, really good. I've still got more to go, but not a lot of that sort of thing, and so much paper, oh my goodness me, that I'd collected up, and like I said, I got rid of books as well. But my husband was absolutely wonderful. I said to him one day, I said, how about you work for this lady that you don't know? Pretend you don't know me. Because, I don't know, husbands do get upset when you think, you've got too much stuff. So he doesn't go that bad, but it just, he just goes away. He doesn't want to deal with it, so. But anyway, he worked so good. He really, really did. I could not believe how, and there was no questioning me or anything, when my other family do it, they go, oh, what size box do you want? What do you want me to do with this? And I was feeling overwhelmed because everything I touched, I had to figure out, but everything they touched too had to be, and it was just too hard. Jeremy come along and it was just amazing. He just brought me out the boxes, give me some to fill up, some to throw away. Did absolutely amazing. He was so good. I cannot tell you how. And he's itching to get back in there and help me finish. So isn't that good? Because it really is. Because it makes you feel so much better. They've actually taken out all the shelves and stuff that was in here, put in all new shelves. Most of the stuff is put back in here, but it has to be all. A lot of it's been all sorted and got rid of, but a lot of it still has to be put away in their allocated spots, you see, because I'm trying to keep a bookshelf of jewellery bits and things like that. Each shelf is allocated to something, okay? So if I don't have enough room to put whatever it is, I'll just have to throw it out. So I've got a fair few bookshelves. I'll probably be able to get more than just one sort of thing in each one. So anyway, now I'm going to show you what I got a couple of months ago from a lovely lady, and she sent me this because I participated in her challenge, and it was not even a hard thing to do. All I had to do was write my name on it. So she sent us out Susan Johnson from Queensland sent us out some cards. I don't know if this is what it says here. To Sonya, thank you for joining in my little giveaway. I hope you enjoy using these cards. I really appreciate this, Susan, and I'm so sorry that this took me so long to get on here and show you people what she sent me, because it's so good. It really is. And like, people, I've collected up this stuff for many, many years, so I had a lot of things to go through, a lot. And a lot of stuff was gifted to me from people, not actually my subbies, because I didn't get rid of any of that sort of thing, but my mother had a big craft room full of stuff, and friends of mine have given me things that I just could not, like in the town here, and stuff that I've bought. You know how I am, I can't help myself, I've got to have a bargain. Look at these, aren't they beautiful? Thank you so much, Susan. I do love birds. Oh, I do love birds, and these are beautiful bird cards. She got these from one of the opportunity shops. I'm sure she said she did. She got a whole heap of them anyway, so it was a really good thing. Their flora and fauna greeting cards. I wonder where that car is. I hope it's not here. Anyway, my husband will take care of it. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? Absolutely beautiful birds. Look at them. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh dear. I'll probably use some of these in some of my work, but I'll probably send some as a, you know, sometimes if you just need to send a card. Look at these. Aren't these pretty? I hope you can see them all right. Look at them. Thank you so much, Susan. That is very kind of you to share those with us, with me. I mean, I think you sent a few people a packet, so that was very nice. Very good. It's really kind of you to do that. I'm going to sit this down here. And the other day, because I bought some things online, and I thought that a parcel that I'd bought had finally got here, and I was so excited and started tearing open this package, and then I realised it was not a, I'm going to put this back in here, find a place where there's cards. I haven't got me, I'll put it in there later, time to just sort of fit, eh? So I'll put them over here, because I've got a lot done on that side of the room. My chair must be stuck on something, I can't get any further. Now back to this bit of the story. I was tearing this open madly and discovered that it wasn't my parcel. Well, somebody had posted me this, and it's a Happy Mail, and I'm so sorry. Dawn Robinson sent me this, and she lives in MOE. I'm just not very up on that, where that is. I don't know where that is. Maybe it's written in here. Look at these pretty things on here. What are they? Bugs or bees or something? What are them things? Oh, I'll read what it says. It says it's a cuckoo bee. Aren't they nice? I'm going to have the stamp. Well, I'm going to take these off here now, because I hope I don't cut anything. Also, when I realised it was a Happy Mail, I thought, oh dear, Sonia, what are you doing now? So I've just torn it off, and then sort of better put that away until I can get to the table. And I found it this morning at the table for a while, anyway, till I get more done. And these nice. Thank you very much for these stamps. I love the stamps too. Oh, isn't that a good thing? I think so. I never thought of doing that. Buy the stamps and put them on, and people can have the stamps to keep. Oh, there's one. I nearly lost that bloke, didn't I? Maybe you can see what I'm doing here. I need that to bring it up further to me. Thank you. Thank you, Sonia. Right, okay. Now I've got to stop fiddling around here, because I've got a couple of videos to make, because I've been behind on what I'm doing because of the, I made one up front. Now that was a bit silly, wasn't it? Because it took us a long time to do this. So I got these nice stamps, thank you. Love them. I'll put them in there. And I've got this here bit. What have we got in here? What have we got in here? Oh, that must be an album cover. Well, that's cool. Oh, I do like that, thank you. Look at that, it's got a glass, it's shiny, isn't it? It's like a glass or clear cover for the outside. Gee, that's really cool, Dawn, thank you. Thank you very much. I'll turn that over. It's too late, Sonia. It doesn't matter anyway. Oh my goodness me, look at this. I've got all this lace. Wow, good colour. Good colour. Oh, it's just going to split up there. That's not right. But anyway, look at all I got. Look at that. I'll be able to use this on a... Oh, this will look nice on tea-dyed paper, won't it? That'll look really good on tea-dyed paper. I'll have some of that. Thank you very much. That's really cool. What have I got now? Oh dear. She's been making things. Look at this. Making things. I'm gonna attempt one of these, but I haven't done so far. I haven't attempted it at all. This is your own, like, your own piece of scrap. I don't know. You can make things out of it. You can cut it up. It's like a what's the name roll? the fabric ones that you get. Look, see, he's got, and then I can just cut it into sections that I want and make tags or tucks or put it on your cards or whatever you want to do with it. So look at this. It gives a lot of different bits and pieces on here. Isn't it nice? Thank you very much. That's really cool. Oh, I'd like to get round to doing one of these one day. I've seen people make them and I just haven't got round to it. Gee, that's neat. I wonder what you've got on the back of that. I wonder what this is. Something that you've stuck it onto. Is it some sort of sticky tape or something? Some sort of tape? It might be. It's some sort of tape. Anyway, Dawn, you can tell me what that is if you watch this. I hope you do. Oh, here's another one. This is nice. Look at this. Look at the colours. So she's got this onto a backing. I've got it stuck now, haven't I? Because all the edges, she's done all the edges. That's really nice, so it can be, this is really cool. I do like the other one too, but this one, I love the colours and that in this too. This would be really awesome in a nice journal or in a book or something that you were making or something, wouldn't it? Or on something, you just cut out a section that you want. A bit of work in that. There's a bit of work in sticking all this down. Isn't there? Isn't that neat? And she stuck it on something, I wonder. I don't know. I'll have to find out about that. Gee, that's good. Thank you very much. That's really, really cool, that is. Really, really nice. Thank you very much for doing that. Thank you. I really like them. Always something to use or something to get an idea from is a really good idea. Nothing worse than better than a good idea. Oh, is this what she used? Is this what she used here? Is that it? She sent me my own. Oh, I did send me own. Oh, look at all these little bits. Is this the stuff? Oh, yeah, so she stuck it on this. This is, roll of, probably something that they used to put in the, machines in the shops or something, That's what she stuck it to. Thank you. Now I can do mine without worry about what I'm going to stick it to. Thank you. That's really cool. Thank you so much. I'll move this away so I can just show you what I've got here now. All these little bits. Look at that. It's a tiny weeny cupcake. I do love little tiny bits and pieces of things. Some butterflies. There's all these die cuts. That's really nice. Thank you. There's a tiny little one in there. Oh, yeah. Wow. These are neat. Tiny, weeny little pieces. They're good to put on your tags and things. You can, I think you can have enough of these. I don't know for sure. I don't think you can. I have a few, and I think yourself, I don't know if I should do something with them or just keep them or what, but I keep them. I keep them because I think, if you've got a packet of these sitting next to you, you can go and get something. Oh, look at the lady's leg fell off. It doesn't matter. On the bottom of the thing. It's raining here today. It's been raining all night and it's been raining all day. And I'm in Australia, it's raining. Everywhere it's raining, I think. In Australia, we've got rain all over the place. But then when I say that, somebody will probably say to me, Sonya, it didn't rain at my place. All goodies, more goodies. Look at them. One can never have too many. I did say that. I did say it. It's true, but, these are nice. I like these. I do love them. I can put little pictures on them, have little tiny stamps and ephemera and stuff like that I can use to put in journals and things like that. Very kind of you. Thank you so much for sending me this. It's very nice of you. I did have a note in it. I don't know what I did with it. At least I think I had a note in it. See, because I'm sorry, and I feel really bad about this. Oh, look at them. Aren't they neat? I feel really bad about this because I should have kept more under control what I was doing, but I just had so much and too many different people looking and sorting through things. It's really hard to get what you know, see where things are going and what's happening with everything. There's more of them, so it really is nice. Let me shut that door. I could have been the parcel man, couldn't it? He could have been bringing me a parcel. I'm waiting for that stuff that I bought. I had to contact that person who didn't send that to me, so it does make me happy. Oh, look at that. Well, I'll have to put all these in the allocated spots. I do love these words. I do love a word. I do love words. Your vibe attracts your vibe. Attracts your vibe attracts your tribe. Okay. Yeah, I've got so much stuff to... Oh, the things that I've found that we can do. Oh, dear. If I can keep this room in a nice, neat space, we can craft along every day. And that's my thing for this year. I mean, we're up to... What's the name already, I know. Look at that umbrella. Isn't that neat? And there's a little reindeer. There. Thank you so much for these, Dawn. They're really, really nice. Oh dear, I hope I'm not calling you by the wrong name. I don't think I am. Yes, sorry. Isn't that good? Thank you very much. I've got lots of little boxes too in here, so I can put little bits and pieces in them. And then when you want to do something, you can just go and grab a box of good ephemera and things. Little bits to put together. And I really appreciate you sending me all that. It's very kind of you. Thank you so much for that. And thank you everybody for watching. I hope I haven't anything else out there or anywhere that I haven't thanked anybody for, and if I have, I definitely will get onto it. Okay? So I better go now, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.